Linda Duprey started as an ER registration clerk. She also worked as a pharmacy tech, a telemetry tech, and an EKG tech. Her title now is insurance auditor, and we consider her our insurance expert. She unravels all of those insurance mysteries that we have, or everybody in the hospital has, as far as insurances go.
She's just a joy to work with. She's always helpful. She's a great team player. She's accurate, efficient, dependable. She's always been very, very helpful to me in my role.
She's very serious when it comes to insurance. She really wants to do the right thing for the patient and for the hospital. Never misses a day, is just always here when we need her, works every weekend pretty much. She's just one of those people you can really count on to get the job done.
She's always willing to go the extra mile. She's always willing to help out. So she's just a treasure for Hendricks. Congratulations, Linda, on 30 years at Hendricks. You're a true asset.
Congratulations, Linda, for 30 years of service. We're so happy that you've been with us this whole time.
Michelle does informatics work for the pharmacy department. So basically, any system that we have going in the pharmacy, she's the one who really works to maintain it, to upgrade it, to troubleshoot it. She's the one who keeps us running with all of that down in the pharmacy.
Whenever Michelle's not there, everyone's like, where's Michelle? We need her. So she's just one of those people that, just is necessary to day-to-day operations.
She's really the backbone of the pharmacy family. I can't imagine what the pharmacy would be like without her.
She's always willing to help out. And even though she's got a lot on her plate, you never hear her complain.
Michelle lives in a world of constant interruption because there's always someone that needs help with something down in the pharmacy with all this technology going on, and she handles that amazingly well. She's very patient throughout all of that too, which is a quality that I really admire in Michelle.
Everyone in our department would say that Michelle is one of the hardest working people.
I just hope that she realizes, or that we can show her adequately how much we really do appreciate having her here and how much part of family she really is for us.
Congratulations on 30 years, Michelle.
Congratulations, Michelle, on 30 years with Hendricks Regional Health.
So Darwin is a carpenter in the engineering department, and he handles all things carpentry plus all things non-carpentry as a rule. He has enough experience and enough years that we can throw just about anything at him.
He's just a craftsman when it comes to what he does, his skill.
He works fairly quietly and diligently, and we just don't do rework with Darwin.
Darwin would do anything for anybody. If I have a call where we have water flood in the building, he's somebody that I know will come in. I can call him anytime, day or night. He'll be the first guy on the spot here.
When I think about him potentially retiring someday, it just sort of puts a knot in my gut.
Congratulations, Darwin, on 30 years of being here. We appreciate your work and your hard effort.
Thank you on behalf of Hendricks Regional. You're a great soul. Everybody loves working with you. You've done a ton of great work for this organization, and we are truly going to miss you someday when you do retire, and we hope that's not sometime in the future. But you have been a super asset to this organization, and thank you and congratulations again on 30 years.
Pam is a patient diabetic educator in the Center for Diabetes Excellence. And Pam goes out into our community and does educational sessions, works with the schools.
Pam is just a great mentor. I know that when I learn from Pam or when I work with Pam, I'm a better person for it because of her high standards and what she believes in. It kind of wears off on everyone around her.
She is so accountable. She's somebody you don't have to direct. She just does her job every day and actually goes beyond her job.
She is kind, she is caring, she is a nurse who puts her patients first and always demands of herself that she do the absolute best for them. She's just a very well-rounded, awesome person to know.
She's really one of the best associates I've ever had.
Congratulations, Pam, on your 30 years at Hendricks Regional Health.
Thank you, Pam, for all of your work. I so appreciate it, and so do our patients, family, and our community.
Laura Cervies is a radiologic technologist. She works here at the hospital. She also goes out to Hibbland to do surgery cases, and she also works out at the Y. Laura is extremely social. She's terrific. Everybody loves her.
She's always fun to work with. She keeps us laughing and in stitches, some of the stories she tells.
She likes to socialize while she's working, and so that actually is kind of fun to be able to get your patients done, but also have a good time while you're doing it.
She's very compassionate with her patients, very caring. I've witnessed her just giving them hugs and rubbing their back.
And she's also a very hard worker. She's a very good technologist. She's really committed to the staff and to the people that she works with and to her patients. She's just a really good person.
I'd just like to wish you a big congratulations for working here at Hendricks with our team for the past 30 years. It's been an honor and a privilege to work with you.
Thank you, Laura, for your 30 years. We appreciate all that you do for us.
Ann Swihart is a staff physical therapist at Hendricks Regional Health at our Avon facility.
Having done orthopedics for years, 10 years ago she wanted to do something new. She taught herself pediatrics. She went out and educated herself and has kind of grown our pediatrics aspects here in Avon from the ground up. We used to have none.
Ann is a very caring, committed individual. I've always said if we could kind of bottle her commitment to her profession and to Hendricks, that would be great.
She will do anything for her patients. She will come in early, she will stay late, she will do whatever it takes to make sure her patients get taken care of.
She has been around the profession certainly a long time, and with that experience comes a lot of knowledge, and that's been great to impart on our new therapists. Even some of the old therapists like myself have learned a lot of new things. She's been a mentor to me, she's been a friend, and I think what you'll see with colleagues is she's always willing to teach them, she's always willing to learn from them.
And congratulations on 30 years with Hendricks Regional Health. You've been a wonderful person to work with all these years, and I really look forward to working with you going forward from here on out.
Thank you for your commitment, and thank you for all you've done for the patients of Hendricks Regional Health. I've been blessed and honored to work with you for 18 of those years.
Charlie's been a physician with us at the Immediate Care Center since August of 2012, and prior to this time he had his own family practice for 26 years. I went to the staff that were on duty one day and I said to them, give me an adjective, how you would define Dr. Tribble. So I loved what they said because they all mirror who he is. They said professional, a gentleman, nice, calm, go with the flow kind of guy. He's respectful of others and their contributions, and he's a good listener.
The patients love Dr. Tribble. They love, I think his demeanor and his politeness and his kindness, and he walks in with a look on his face that's, I care about you.
Charlie's a really thoughtful guy, and so an example of that is that the staff expect when he's working on Saturdays that they'll be receiving donuts or maybe even Starbucks as a special surprise.
And he always says thank you at the end of the day, always. He'll come up and he'll tell all the people that are here, thank you for today, or thank you for your help. Most people don't do that. Congratulations, Dr. Tribble. 30 years is a long time. I'm very proud of you, and I am very excited to keep working with you.
Charlie, congratulations on 30 outstanding years at HRH, and I appreciate the opportunity to be able to work with you.